I don't know about you guys, but I can't stand it when this happens. Yeah, that just drives me nuts. Today on TrailRecon, I'm going to show you a very cool customizable solution to add a little armor to your Jeep that's going to help you protect it from that. Stick around. Hey, welcome to TrailRecon. I'm Brad, and you know, hitting bushes and rubbing up against trees on the trail is just a fact of life. And there's some of you out there that you don't really mind banging up your Jeep and getting dents on them and the scratches, but I'm just not one of those guys. You know, I live with pinstripes on my Jeep because it happens just about every time I go out on the trail. But then, you know, you got to break out the buffer and the rubbing compound and buff it all out. And for me, I just don't enjoy doing that all the time. But the solution that we've got today to add a little extra armor, I think, is really cool. So let me tell you a little bit about the history. So about 2 years ago, I was out on the trail in a convoy, and there was a Jeep out there that had these really cool custom magnets on it. And so I got to talking with the owner, and come to find out, she was actually developing and testing those custom magnets. And I said, look, if you ever decide to sell these and go to market, give me a call, because I think there are a lot of people that follow TrailRecon that would be very interested. So fast forward to today, and here we are. They're selling them, and I think it is a really cool thing. Now, let me show you a little look at how they're produced right here in the US. Take a look at this. To produce the MEK Magnet armor, they start with a very heavy-duty magnet, which is the foundation for the panels. Then they put the graphics into their computer system, which is linked to a very large and sophisticated printer, which places the graphic on top of the magnet using a UV resistant ink. The whole process takes only a few minutes, and it was really cool to watch. After all the graphics are printed out, they transfer the magnet to another table where a precision cutting machine begins cutting each of the 16 panel pieces out. Once all the pieces are cut, they remove them and they're ready for shipping. Such a cool process to watch. And that was so cool to see how the MEK Magnet is made. You know, the technology and the work that goes into something like that, man, it's just really cool. Now, there are a few different designs that come right out of the box that you can go over on their website and buy, or you can buy the custom ones. But let's show you here real quick what some of the out-of-the-box ones are. The first one you have is the Woody, which is really cool. It's like a wood grain one. Then you've got the camo version, which is pretty awesome. There's the one from the Rockies, which I personally think is kind of the coolest one. I thought it looked the best on my Jeep personally. You got the Rusty, which is like a rusted metal kind of look. There's the Zeb's one, which definitely is going to get folks' attention. There's the Patriot American flag one, which, man, come on, that's some pride right there. I love it. And the one I like is the customizable option. You know, it costs a lot of money to wrap your Jeep if you wanted to put, you know, your brand or your company, or, you know, maybe you've got an Instagram channel or whatever. You wanted to do that, that's very expensive. Plus, this is removable. You can take these MEK magnets off anytime you want, put them back on. That's a very cool option. I really, really love the TrailRecon ones that they made for me. All I did was send them in my graphics. They produced it, and man, out it came. Let me whip it out of the box. Let's show you how easy it is to install, guys, and I'll give you some tips and tricks along the way. How easy was that to install? And I think it looks great. And now I've got some nice protection on the side of my Jeep. Now let me pull you in and show you some quick little tips and tricks that they let me know about. Now when putting the door magnet on, you want to kind of line up the top and then line up the handles and the keyhole. And sometimes I get it right the first time, and every once in a while I have to adjust it a little bit. But the important thing is to make sure that it's all flat, that it's not hitting any of the edges that are raised. And you can see here around the hinges, there's that little spot of metal that kind of bumbles up. You want to make sure that it's flat down, because when you're on the freeway, you don't want it to come up. And now I will mention that I've driven with these on the freeway going 75 for miles and miles and miles, and they have not budged. But the last thing you want to do is leave any kind of space where there can be an air pocket in there or anything. So just make sure it's nice and flat like that. And the one thing that I've noticed is this little strip that goes right here under the door. You know, it sticks really well, but for whatever reason, I didn't even realize I was doing it until it started happening, that the heel of my shoe hits there and it's actually knocked this off a few times. So something to be aware of when you're getting in and out of your Jeep. You know, on the road and on the trail, it's just fine, but you hit your foot with there, it can actually come right off. So something to keep an eye on. And just a couple things about the care of the MEK Magnet. Now, you can actually wash your Jeep with them on. I personally prefer to kind of wash them and then take them off and then store them, but you got the choice. You know, just cleaning them with a cloth is really easy, but it's really important that when you're storing them, you make sure that you lay them flat. And they provide a really nice box to keep them in, and that's what I've stored them in. It works out really well. So putting the MEK Magnet on the Jeep only takes a couple minutes, and caring for it is super easy. And look, we all love customizing our Jeeps, and I think this is a great product to take it to a whole new level. I mean, look, I got TrailRecon on the side of my Jeep. How cool is that now if I'm going to an event or a trail run, or most importantly, I need a little extra armor when I'm hitting a trail where I know I'm gonna get scratched up. I love it. I think it's very cool. And hey, look, if you're thinking about buying the MEK Magnet, I'd like to hear from you. Which one are you gonna get, or are you gonna go with a customizable option? Let me know in the comments below, and I will leave a link to the MEK Magnet website so you can go check it out. They've got all kinds of cool graphics over there so you can kind of mirror it up with the color of your Jeep and what they've got. I think it's a really cool website. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. If you're visiting TrailRecon for the first time, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a member of the TrailRecon team. Thanks for watching.